Just the last moment we just learned about the grammar of dake, but now we use the negative form dake denaku. So this means not only but also in English. So how to use? It's quite similar. In Japanese, when you use the verb with dake denaku, you should change the verb to be the dictionary form. But with the noun, you should change the noun to be they are and by dake denaku. But in the case of na adjective, you can use by and by na and plus dake denaku, or you just cut out of na and n by they are dake denaku. You can use in both two cases. So you can choose which one will you use they are or na. For each adjective, you can use in that form. No change anything. So what you have to remember that is a na adjective you can use in two cases, na or they are dake denaku. And the meaning of dake denaku is mean not only but also. So the next, let's go to see some sample together. The first example, このレストランはどれも安いだけでなく美味しい。このレストランはどれも安いだけでなく美味しい。Which means not only is everything cheap at this restaurant, it is all delicious. Not only is everything cheap in this restaurant, it is all delicious. That means in this restaurant, everything is cheap. And plus, everything is very tasty or delicious. So you can use in the positive case, cheap and delicious. The next example. この公園では子供だけでなく大人も楽しむことができる。この公園では子供だけではなく大人も楽しむことができる。Which means this park is enjoyable for not only kids but for adults as well. This park is enjoyable for not only kids but for adults as well. 君だけでなく僕も悪かった。君だけでなく僕も悪かった。This means it isn't just you. I am also to blame. It isn't just you. I am also to blame. 肉だけでなく野菜も食べなさいよ。肉だけでなく野菜も食べなさいよ。Which means make sure to eat not just the meat but the vegetable as well. Make sure to eat not just the meat but the vegetables as well. That means you should not eat only meat but you should eat both meat and vegetable together.